Hi, welcome to HTF. I'm Dipanjan once again with you. Today we are going to discuss a very important common topic, that why women should or shouldn't do resistance training or exercise for their good health and fitness. People are searching for how to weight loss, how to weight gain, what to eat, what not to eat, what exercise is good for them, right? But the very important aspect that I really want to share with you, and I need your help in that particular part, that beyond this all theoretical part, the very important psychological part I need to discuss with you, that is our society. There are lots of hypothetical claims in our society, like women shouldn't do exercise, they shouldn't do lift a very heavy weight, that's unsafe for them. The preferable exercise for women is cardio and yoga. During periods they shouldn't do exercise and they need to take a rest, and what to eat, what not to eat. If you are obese, basically if you are obese and kind of flabby and chubby, in our society that is claimed as good health and beauty. So all these nonsense claims are basically making our girls sick, unhealthy, house of diseases, and they are not able to enjoy their best version of their life. So beyond all these things, beyond all these theoretical things, what to eat, what not to eat, the very important things is whoever is telling you in the society ki you need to follow this, you shouldn't eat this, eat those. So beyond all those hypothetical claims, the very first thing you need to understand the deep understanding of the topic. If you were doing exercise, then you should know why you should do exercise. If you are not doing exercise, if you are against exercise, then you again should know why it is not for you, why exercise is bad for you. If you want to lose weight, you should know why you need to lose weight, because there is a huge difference in between need and want. So you need to understand, if you want to lose weight, you need to understand why you want to lose weight. If you want to gain weight, again you need to understand why you need to gain weight. So you can't allow in your health, in your body, anyone to put their claim. Again I repeat, it's a claim. Whatever they're trying to, they are not professionals. If you see at them, the person who is advising you, either he is sick, either he or she is sick, obese, or anything else, they are not the professionals. Here I need your help and support. Please do share this video, because I am offering free 1-by-1 interactive session. Here I am putting my WhatsApp number even, so that you should know what you need to do. Because without understanding the deep insight of the fact, don't follow any hypothetical claims. Because here is a very important thing again, if you are sick and you are promoting the negative information to the society, you are indirectly negatively influencing other girls. And if you are fit enough, if you are healthy enough, you can again influence others by positively. So by changing your health, by improving your health, you can save many of lives, including you. And it's a really very important thing to join hands together, because whatever you try to do, again society comes first in your way to stop you, because you are just trying to do something better. You are trying to develop yourself, and there the first thing comes our society to stop you. So don't let it happen. Please raise your voice. You deserve your best version, because God has gifted that thing to you. Till now, bye bye. Take care.